Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Gemini. So, these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Gemini. And today we'll be picking one card for your moon energies. This is the card, and one card for your love guidance. So I will leave this card here. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. And Gemini, if you are interested in a personal reading, I'll be sharing my friend's Fever link. So she is a very good intuitive reader. So you can contact her if you are interested, guys. Gemini. So let's start with these cards here for your general energies. We have Five of Pentacles in reverse, guys. Sun and Knight of Pentacles. So, Gemini, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are, what to say, you are a very kind and helpful person, and whatever decisions you make, you try to stand by that, trying to give it your best. So maybe you, if you have that friendly attitude towards someone, you go out of the way, help them out. So you are a very loving and caring person. But whatever it is, guys, maybe in this relationship with this person, you are trying to be really kind, trying to understand them, trying to help them out, but they do not understand you, and there are a lot of conflicts, misunderstanding in this relationship, and you are going out of the way trying to help them or trying to make them understand why you are doing certain things, maybe, or this may be your energy or their energy towards you, guys. But whatever it is you are doing, they are, what to say, not interested in you for some reason, Gemini. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. Tower. So there are a lot of changes happening in this relationship, Gemini. Something sudden, something unbelievable is happening today, and it is going to take you by surprise. And this person may, what to say, leave you, or maybe they may make some drastic decisions, something you cannot believe, because you love them and you were trying to be your best, maybe because you love them truly and you wanted this relationship, and you wanted it to work, guys. But this person is making some drastic decision, and it's really painful, sad for you. But we have a very positive card here also, guys, in the reading. So this Sun card, this is a very positive card. So maybe for some of you, even though this person is thinking of something drastic, they may change their mind in the last minute. So they may make a different decision. What to say? Um, maybe they want to give you more time, or they want to give this relationship more time. So something positive may come out of this circumstance, guys. Gemini. So for your career situation, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's the World. A very beautiful card here, guys. So in your work situation, whatever is supposed to be there for you, maybe some career offers, opportunities, all that is reaching you today, and you can be happy for that, because these opportunities are something really good, something taking you towards your dreams and goals, Gemini. So for your moon energies today, we picked one card. Be bold and make the first move. Cardinal Moon. So Gemini, in your work situation, if you are thinking of something you need to do, it is in your hands to make it work. So you need to take that first step. Go towards that. Go towards your dreams and goals. Whatever you truly feel is the right thing for you, guys. You must follow your heart. The same way in this relationship, if you feel that you love this person, and deep down in your heart of hearts, you know that you cannot live without them, you must follow your heart, follow your emotions, make them understand, maybe sweep them off their feet with your expression of love. And that is going to help you today, guys, because this moon card, it just means that you need to make that first step, and you are bubbling with that inspiration and energy to make that right action today, and that is going to benefit you today, Gemini. So you need to grab this opportunity to make this person understand you, understand your love, Gemini. So for your love guidance, we picked one card, and it says trust. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, just like the previous card, it's the same meaning, guys. Whatever you truly feel in your heart of hearts, you must trust that. So where your intuition is pointing you, you must go towards that. When you do that, you will never go wrong. So when you are making some important decisions, our inner voice often tells us what we need to do or what will be the choice for us. When we listen to that, we will do things in the right way, guys. So we must listen to our intuition, to that inner voice. When we do that, we will definitely be making the right choices for our life today. And each and every day, we need to listen to that. We should never forget that. And often we cannot trust people or our circumstances, and not even our own eyes. But we can always trust our intuition, guys. It will never go wrong. So that is the energy with this card. That is the reading for you all today, Gemini. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.